How wow! Not sure how much that even comes through, but it doesn't look like music is coming through. I don't see on the thing. Let me turn this up a little. That should be good, right? Wait, what? Did I hear music? Hold up. Weird? Device not available. Oh, wait, hold on. Give me a second. I see why it's not. Hello? Give me a second. Game. Should be under game. Oh, wait, no, it's there. Okay. I have the right settings. Sheesh. Alright. So. We, generally speaking, just need to finish up the first part. Which is the combination. Where did I leave off on? Let me see where I left off on. Okay. So first we gotta use the card swipe. Oh yeah, that's right. This is to... Why is it lagging? Okay. Let us... I'll figure out why it's lagging in a second. There might have been something optimization related. Alright, common events, keypad. Delete that. Okay. So we need... Play sound effects. Yeah, that cursor 2 is probably fine. I don't think I need else branch here. So if variable is b equals 0, b equals 0 literally just means, you press all 4 of your buttons. Conditional branch. Variable. A. And that has to be 1.561. Oh, and there should be an else branch. Because if it is not... We'll do a wait. For like a 1/6 of a second. Play sound effect. Uh... I like how the sound effects just go, ah! Alright. Alright. Is there E for error? No? Okay, we'll just do this. And when you do this... Control variables. A needs to be set to 0. B needs to be set to the 4. Mm-mm. Actually, let me... What's the variable used in this? Red light is for when... Yeah, it is a temporary thing. This is not exactly the cleanest way to do it, but I will just turn that switch on and off. So, control switches. Use security key card. We'll turn this off. And then back on. With... Oh, wait. Alright, let's see how this works. Now, obviously, if I haven't used the key card ever, it'll just be like, nah. Okay, why is the game lagging? Oh, I see why the game's lagging. Yeah, and on cursor there's another thing. We don't need these. Oh, wait, we needed that, though. Point, click back up. 1 second. I'm just gonna restart it. That console, is a very hefty experience. So it should not lag anymore. Yep, it's running normally. Okay, I just need to now... Okay, I think I'm fine with how it gets cancelled. I do think instead of that, it should... We'll do the else here. And then remove the weight here. Did I ever... okay, green light. Did I put a switch here? 10. Okay, little sit, alright. So, if we use that, we can just make that one little change. Here. PS has been reloaded. Okay, instead of this sound, I need a sound effect that's like, hey, you did it. Some sort of fanfare. Okay, maybe not that one. Got a new vape, nice. Oh, I see what horror sounds like. Wow, 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 wow. God damn it. Okay, I don't think it... They're a bit long, is the problem. Alright, blow. Like wind? Oh, no, like a punch! Okay. Actually... Okay. Actually... Let's do that instead. Do you ever smoke? Nope. I don't smoke shit. Never really got into it. Never really plan on getting onto it. Alright, Decision 5 and... Let's see. Control switch. Lobby activated on. And... Plugin command. Exit point. Bloop, bloop. Alright. Alright, so that's what happens when you play a wrong one. Bye-bye. Alright. But I should not allow you, the player... I should probably put a weight there. I think it is a bit of a long thing, so let's put like a full second of waiting. Bling. Alright. If lobby is activated, then... Let me just take a good copy of one of these. This one probably doesn't need a face. Oh, I have already opened the door. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Now, I just need this. New page. If... Oh, not variable. Switch. If the lobby is activated... And this should just be a transfer player. Quick event transfer corridor. Put it here. And we want you to face right. Okay. I know that felt lazy. Or seems lazy to do that, but, it isn't. Trust me. Below characters touch. Below characters touch. And also, make sure this is only active. Oh, wait, hold on. Cancel, yes. I should have been doing that to a new page. Below characters. Touch. Mm-mm. Alright. I'm gonna test this entire thing out. So now that we have this playtest, I'm gonna remove having the security card. Oh wait, I have this open? Whatever. Alright. Alright, da-da. Yes, mostly making sure... I probably should make it so that right-clicking will also cancel. Oh, right. Because a lot of times with these point-click stuff, it feels like you should be doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna change that. I'll make right-click cancel. Alright. Yeah, everything works. So the lobby is, generally speaking, done. All I have to do is add flavor, which I can do at any point in time. So it's time to start working on the corridor. New area. Alright, let me see here. I gotta think about how I want the lab to work. I'm gonna see if I can find like pixel stuff for this. Yeah, I probably need something a little more visually interesting than just this. Maybe something like this. And then I could add, like, some decorations and stuff later. Oh yeah, I'm seeing a lot of this where it's, like, white on the top, but then, like, waist level is, like, another color. So, yeah, I think I'm fine with that. Alright, time to open up a Sprite. Alright. Tile sets. Lab A5 seems to be a good one to start with. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to use this, but I don't want to delete it just because I've already made it. I got the straightaway, so eh. What the heck? Where's this backdrop layer? Oh, that's just so I can see without the... Okay. That makes sense. What color should I make it? I think some sort of off color, like... I can do this. And then something slightly lighter, like this. Or maybe I could do... this. And then slightly darker. But not that dark. Something in between. Well, that is the exact shade. I could probably do something like that. And then use those colors to make some door stuff. Or maybe I could do... This. Oh, geez, that is a weird look for a high school hall. And maybe I should just keep this over here while I'm doing this looking for references. Chemical lag corridor. Geez, that is such a skinny hallway. And that's some Resident Evil shit. Trying to figure out exactly what I want aesthetically is a bit weird. Oh, that looks like shite. That's a manor, not a... Mm-mm. Mm-mm. What the fuck is this? Some people have some weird aesthetics. Let's look at the aesthetic. Pixel crisis, architectural. Oh, it's a little hard. Alright. Lab walls pixel game. And I don't want like all these like gears and techie stuff either. That kind of looks like it's Rick's... Oh, it is Rick's lab! I was like, this kind of looks like Rick's lab, and then I look over, it's like, wait, what? I guess I did a pretty good recreation if I could recognize it. That looks AI. Actually, it could not be AI. There's no way that's not AI. I don't mind stealing stuff from AI as long as I'm an actual human doing things. Oh, this one's beautiful. Sheesh. Please don't be AI, because this looks so good. Yeah, the perspective being a bit off here is because it's pixel stuff. If this was traditional art and the perspective like that, I'd be weirded out. But, you know, how pixel... You have to be very geometric with your lines. And certain angles are not feasible. Yeah, it's unfortunate this is not the aesthetic I want, but it's... Okay, this is starting to get a little closer to what I want. Alright. Alright, I got that. That's not what I want. Make it one shade lighter or darker. So something in between. Alright. Let's go over here to tile sets, A5, yes, overwrite. Okay, this could be good. What is this event? I have no idea. That's so random. Okay. I'll make this corridor, shortish. Let's make a stairs. So it'll be just like this. 2 pixels high, but... Actually, I think that just needs to be a new, file, new... I mean, the pixel grid should be 16 by 16, yeah. File, new. 32 by... 64. Camera size. Sorry, 64. Actually, I can make it 64 by 64. Make it a 2 by 2. Alright. We're gonna do this just so that it looks more natural. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Put it on 32. Laboratory door. I'm just gonna look at, like, how some of these doors look. Yeah, some of the stairwell doors... Do you see... Okay, but the inside this shouldn't be this same green. It should probably be like boop. And this should probably be like boop. And we probably should have like a ping pong animation. Like which elevator horror elevator broken elevator horror. I'm curious. Custom route. Play sound effect is on here. Nice. Even if it wasn't, the script is here. Wait, Alt B? What the fuck's going on? Alright, make sure there's 12. No stepping, no walking. You know what? I'm trying to find like a good reference. Wait, why did this bring me to TikTok? Elevator. Closing on person. I'm gonna put this over here in case anything's too graphic. Alright, nothing too graphic, Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 'Cause Alright. I think I know what I need to. Sprite, canvas size. I need to bump height to another 32. So that would be, add the 2, that's 6. Add 30, that'd be 9. So the elevator part of this shall be here. But we got an extra square of stuff. Okay, let's turn off symmetry. Let's open the elevator door a bit. Start with some red for some bloody blood. The heck? Red for some bloody blood? What? Excuse me, A-Sprite? Click, click, click. Okay, what the fuck? A-Sprite. Wait, pattern? I have no idea what's happening. Characters, objects that pinch. Uh, 2x3 objects. Close. Save that. Sometimes A-Sprite does something weird and I can't figure out how to fix it except by just restarting A-Sprite. Okay. Alright, and the actual inside, I'm actually going to use black. Get that, I don't need that to be transparent, I just need it to do its thing. So, this will be base. Then I'm gonna make a new layer on top of that, called person. Let's open up do template just so I have an idea of the type of framer I would have for this. Here's my reference. So I would have an arm about this size. Although, yeah, that seems right. And let me just grab the head. I think it's on base if I put it about there. I could do this. We change the person's hair. Usami, hello! This is an awkward time for me to be rated. Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph Jorgen, Yandere Science Lich, and I am in the middle of doing some game development stuff. I'm creating a horror puzzle game, adventure game, in rpgmaker, and I'm just creating some of the sprites for it. Don't worry, he's fine. He'll live. How are you doing? How was your Pokemains? Alright, let's delete this. Ketchup. Yeah, it's just ketchup, guys. Guys, it's strawberry jam. Absolutely. It's just delicious. Listen. Sometimes you have to squeeze a little bit to get the jam out. You know? That's why you need the elevator door. Hungry. Yeah, he hungry. But welcome. Every Thursday, I've been working on game development stuff. I'm just trying to create a very unfortunate person in this elevator real quick. Unfortunate because he dropped his strawberry jam, obviously. I'd be sad if I did. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this just goes on 1 extra pixel. So that is technically symmetry. There we go. Hey, dropped my strawberry jam when I walk out the elevator. I know, right? And then you slip and fall into it? I'm totally going to draw his body on later. This is not separated. Don't worry. It is as it do be. Okay, let's, I think that's a good way to make it a generic-ass look. Is to make him blonde. Floor jam. Yeah, you've heard of Space Jam. Now it's floor jam. Okay, I probably should make his sleeve a different color. What color should I make that sleeve? Red and blonde are out of the question. I don't want it to be grayscale either. What color would pop here? Maybe brown? I don't like the way the brown looks against the red. It's not very concise. Maybe blue. Blue looks a little better. Actually, wait, I just realized something. Hold on. See, no, that's correct. Oh, yeah, okay. I'd actually need to double the size. That's correct. Okay. I completely forgot the scale of my game for a second. So let's, 200. There we go. Now I just slide his arm back in a couple pixels. Boop, boop. And I guess we take the elevator and push it in so that it's flush against the arm. Oh, I should not have used the paint bucket for that. Alright, there we go. Alright. I saw you had to in-stream and then sprint for the bathroom. That's fine. You just missed my entire spiel of the strawberry jam stuff. But welcome. Thank you for the raids. I was making sure everyone knew that this guy is fine. Usapi. Wait, does this look right? I think in order to figure out whether this looks right, I'm going to need to export this and see it in context. I want to make sure this still frame looks before I do it. How pissed on rug. Yeah. Gotta be careful with the rug piss. File. Export sprite sheet. By columns. 4 rows. Guys, that's fine. I know I wouldn't be if I was spilling all my strawberry jam in the elevator. Yeah. It is. Okay, so that looks correct. Let's go ahead and put it in the main game's system. So, $! Alright, so... Comment. Well, actually, what was the commands for this? It was... Okay, large event is... that. Alright, so X is 2. Size Y is 3. Alright, so is it 3 or is it... Yeah, it's 3. And I know I used the shift on the pigeon. Shift Y12. I'd probably have to use a full 16 shift. Actually, wait a second. Oh, now I know why it looks weird. That's what it should be like. That's why it looks weird. I was like, it looks so weird. Okay. File. Export. Export. Oh. Export sprite sheet. Alright. It's Shift Y, and then I think I have to... He needs to walk it off, yeah! He needs to work on a lot of things. Shift Y 16? Is it 16 or negative 16? Which direction does the shift do? Well, I'm about to find out. If this is the correct direction on the shift. Oh, it's the correct direction. Nice. What the heck? Why is this area... Okay. Something funky is happening. Alright, I'm gonna remove the shift for a second just to see if that fixes the passability. Shift shouldn't change passability, though. Based on how I programmed it. Wait, why is it going down there? Oh, right! I'm dumb. Shift is measured from top left, not bottom left. So I can just push it there. I probably don't even need the shift command then. I just leave it like that. Because it's not like I'm going to have the character be able to move directly on top of his head. It'd be funny, but I don't think that's going to be a viable thing. I mean, I could have him move here directly. That might be fine. Tile set. This needs to be an X. This also needs to be an X. Let me see if that fixes. Alright. Now that that has been fixated... Oh god, JoJo's jump scare. Ah. Such chill music for the topics we're about to bring upon you. Oh wait, that should have been this. Hold on. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright, new tag. Elevator stock. Ping pong. I mean, there's gonna be some delay. It's not gonna be, like, smooth. There's gonna be a... Yeah, but in general, that's the way it needs to be. I think the base does need a little more red. Now, because I've kind of covered up a lot of this red. Now I just need to kind of... Because the fact that there was no blood coming from the fucking head is kind of a travesty. Alright, that looks fine. Alright. File. We're gonna save this. File and export it. Bloop. And we're gonna go ahead and animate it. So... One second. File... So just so we're clear, it goes 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay. 8, 6, 4, 2. I think. Oh no, it starts with 2. Okay, 2 is on top. Okay. Sometimes the route stuff is going to be stuff. So the route map is going to be... up, left, right, down, right, left, up. I think it's actually in its order. I might be confused. Up, right, left, down, left, right, up. Huh? How's that a preview if it doesn't show the image? That's weird. Okay, so it's going to start from its normal position. It's going to open. There's going to be a wait. Hold on, it's going to open. Sound effect. Is there an elevator sound? Please say there's an elevator sound. If not, I'm finding an elevator sound right the fuck now. Maybe it's called chime? Actually, wait. That sounds like an elevator. Ding, ding. Then it closes, and... Okay, preview. This preview is so worthless. I'm gonna have to run the game to preview it properly. Okay, there's a few things I need to change there. One, I got the locations confused. So this close needs to go here. And the chime needs to go here. Second thing I need to do. Speed. Let's wait 4 times faster. Is there a way to make it do it at the same time there, instead of it being its own thing? Hold on. The fact that the actual sound effect takes its own thing is like... Okay, let me see if that fixes things. Alright, what does it look like now? Oh, wait a second. I think I know why it's doing that. Also, I also just realized while watching this animation that I kind of need to do this. File, export, sprite sheet. Oh. File, export, sprite sheet, export. Because without that darkness, it was looking weird. Wait, does it, If I push this up one more... I guess it is on the same frame, if I do it like this. The oddity of the timing is a bit weird. Alright, we got it. Wait, should I make both sides of the elevator do it? Yeah, I should have had it do both sides of the elevator do it. Give me a second. Yes. One, two. 1, 2, 1, 2. And over here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I need to fix the edging on that. Actually, I need to fix the edging because the actual elevator thing here isn't shown. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. But of course I have to make this one fully closed while the other door slightly open. Unless I shift everything... Actually, yeah, I do need to shift everything, don't I? I'll move this over 1 pixel. Sorry, the person over 1 pixel. The base, then we just do this. So that it is centered. So that both doors have a better consistency. So we'll just undo this animation and redo it. Alright, we'll hide the person while we're doing this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the final one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we have a better opening. And we do this to make sure it's consistent. Oh. From 1 to da. There we go. File. Export. Spreadsheet. Bloop. Alright, now let's see what that looks like. Blah, blah, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. Yeah, I think that looks good. I think the first loop looked weird. But in general, if you're looking at this, it's like... Now I just have it, some sort of interaction. Oh, wait, hold on. Direction fix so that it's not doing that when interacting with it. Da-da-da-da. And I'm just going to copy and paste here. I now need to figure out what he's gonna say when he sees this. Because this is going to be the first sign of any sort of blood or gore that he sees during this adventure. And it's from this that he decides to take the stairs. What's the delay? That's it. And what's the half-second preview? Oh, there's no half-second, it's just quarter and 1. So I guess I just do this twice. Actually, condition branch. If self-switch A is off, because I only want this to be showed up the first time. So if that's true, then do that, and then turn self-switch on. Oh, right, I have caps lock on. Alright. Good old what the fuck? There's no taking the elevator. I should find some... Did I... Yeah, I did do that. What the fuck? Did that mess up with something? You broke it more. What? Why did it do that? Wait, hold up. Why? It's not looping. I know! Why? Okay, it's not part of that. Oh, wait. Direction fix? Okay, so direction fix needs to be off. But if direction fix is off... But now it messes with the animation when I interact with it. rpgmaker, can you just, like, not... rpgmaker MZ... Don't have character interrupt movement when trigger. Huh. Okay, I think I know one way I can do it. I'm gonna put this as below characters. Then I'm gonna make another event. Here. So now when I interact, it's not going to be this one that's being interacted with. Let me see if that works. If that works, then it should be fine. But it does like a little weird thing whenever I interact. How do I make it so that it doesn't have any trigger? I wish direction fix would, not be affected. Let me see if I turn direction fix on if it works. Nope. rpgmaker, how do I fucking do this so that you don't glitch like that? So this has to be off. "5 minute of coding adventure in and out." Yeah. Okay. If there was just a none here, I'd be happy. I would be absolutely happy if there was a none option under this trigger. Because that would do exactly what I want. Alright, we're just doing random stuff. Player... Actually, action button. Trigger? Oh, the word trigger is, Alright. Game event. Let's start here, and we're just gonna drill into what it does. Alright. Because they've forced me to look at this stuff. Oh yeah, it's the pages of the event specifically that I need. So, page... Trigger is page set trigger. If trigger is equal to index 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's parallel. Oh, right, because a parallel event would be an entirely new interpreter. Got it. Right, so that's why there's a sub trigger. Alright. Check event trigger touch. I want to make sure it's the same. That's event trigger touch. Alright. So there's a 4, there's a 2, there's a 3. 4, 2, and 3 are the ones that are being checked here. But what if I just... Okay, this is what I need to mess with. I'm gonna comment this out. I'm only leaving this here as reference. So we're gonna make a new version of this function. Alias.apply this arguments. And yeah, I'm gonna copy this as reference. But what we need is set namespace, which is the name of the thing, random. Random shit. We don't need this, but what we need is namespace random. What we need is no trigger. If no trigger, then item.trigger is equal to -1. That should be enough. We're just gonna set trigger to -1. And therefore, it won't have any type of trigger. So that when page's triggers is now set to -1, when it pulls page trigger here, it should be fine. No trigger. Alright, let me see. Oh, well, actually, I have to actually add my code. Random. Oh, did I just launch the game? I did. Alright. Alright, in and out. Let's see if this works. Let's see if our 5-minute coding adventure is an actual 5-minute coding adventure. Okay, it did the flicker. Let me make sure it, actually works before I do anything else. Console.log item. Actually, I could just call this page. Because that's what it's supposed to be. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm not seeing anything here, so it didn't actually even render. Why didn't you render? It should be Zatsu namespace. Let me look at how large event does it. Large events. Okay. Oh wait. That would be important to make sure it's an actual page being run and not something else. Alright, we have the page, and it says trigger -1. It works! It did not interrupt the animation. I wish... Part of me wants to make that more smooth, with more frames in between, but the other part of me is like, having that little frames kind of makes it terrifying. And now it can add like a little floral stuff. Yeah, okay. Also probably need to make this map a little bigger. I think 20 was the amount I had realized that it needed to be. Let me see if that looks good. Alright, yeah. 20 by 11 is the amount to make it full screen scene. Alright. Now to build out this area. I'll push this back a couple. Probably should have like an exit. Nah. Well, this was fixed, so we're good here. Tile set. Da 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 da. Where is this? A sprite. Tile sets. Will that be? Let me take a look at a exit sign. Alright, so let me make a, like, a red square. It's not gonna be this entire size, I'm just gonna start this size just for starters. Okay, that seems about right. Let me push this a couple over here. I need like one more pixel to actually have it be in proper exit. So I guess fuck it. We'll go over here. We're gonna center the exit sign. And we're just going to put this here. And I guess this here. I don't see myself doing more than just this one exit sign, but and I guess make one without. Export. Put the exit sign here. Oh, game. What the fuck? Yeah, that works. Why is that not working? Okay, game? Seriously? Alright, so let's put that one down. It is a safety thing. So we have that. And then we're gonna have... Ba 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 da 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 da. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break and I'll be right back. Alright. I'm fucking back. It's like, I think in general, some shitposty stuff would be pretty nice. Let me see. Office posters. Oh, some people, I know some people unironically put Dwight posters up because they're like a whole little. Oh wait, federal required posters. Oh yeah, this stuff. Vermont. Vermont and Florida one look very similar. Oh, no, it's just a little stamp that they have. Images. Alright, copy image. I mean, no one's gonna recognize this once it gets, like, fucking compressed anyway. And these things were kind of big. They're like 3 foot tall. So... File new. Sprite size, and we are going to turn it into a... Let's look at what the 32 by 32 one looks like. Okay. I'm actually gonna shift this one to the side. And actually, I do kind of want it to be a brighter red. For this. Then I could just have this be white. Barely tell the difference between these, but... If you push this... good old relaxing Pokemanes. Okay, so this should be the American flag. Fuck yeah. So, I should probably make this one bigger so that I can do something like this. And then I can put the blue here. Because obviously I don't have the pixels to make 13 stripes and 50 stars, so that's the compromise I'll have to make. Heck? Copy? Why is copy and paste not working? Oh. Flatten. Mm-mm. Alright, I'm thinking this is looking good. Set to the poster. I'm going to put this on lap B. There we go. That looks fine. I can improve it later if need be. Alright. Oh, did I not export it? File, export as. Mm-mm. Save as characters. Remove that. Alright, what is that? It's called... Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't know if this is the right place to put that, though. Nah, probably not. I probably will use that, just not here. Fucking putting the Nokia fucking... Oh, it's just called voice call. Alright. I was like, hello, hello, hello. Alright, now that we have that, we also need stairs. Which will probably not need to be as big as the others. Honestly. Actually, it shouldn't be clear. So I'll open the clear blue just for templating reasons. Wait, where the fuck is... Okay, there's the icon set. Where's the clear blue door? Did I not save the clear blue door? I must not have. Characters, clear blue. File. Actually, input sprite sheet. Height is 32. We'll do it by columns. So do column at a time. Save as. Now we go to a sprite. Characters. Cancel. Wait, file, save. Cancel. File, save as. A sprite. Okay. Now we're just going to use this exact same template. Except we're going to make sure it uses this style of opening. Okay. Let's take a look at a door from a laboratory and use that as a point of reference. Oh yeah, that's right. A lot of doors have this like metal thing on the foot. The metal reinforcement. I should have one of these metal reinforced doors. As a matter of fact, I even like the color scheme, if I'm gonna be honest. So we're gonna put metallic here. And then after metallic, blue. And we're going to surround this with the blue. Yeah, I should probably... Actually, let me save as before I clear something. Right, this is door clear blue 2. Actually, I should probably have it go all the way. What's a good metallic gray? Let's see. Copy image. That's right. Let me copy, like... that? That seems like a good metallic gray. What? Oh, wait. Wrong layer. Actually, what's in... Alright, let's flatten. Pixel... metallic... shine. Alright, metallic... How to create a metallic shine. Okay, it kind of just suggests using a gradient, which I am not opposed to doing right now. So, yeah, I guess that kind of makes it look a bit metallic. Although, when I flip this, I also want to flip the metallic sheen so it looks like the light source is coming from the same direction. But other than that... it looks fine. Trans... window. Oh, we'll just call it window. Properties... 50%. Alright, but on this thing here... let's go ahead and... gradient. Alright, that's fine. That looks good, that looks good! Yeah! Mm-mm. Alright, I'm gonna open up the other clear blue just so I have a side-by-side reference. Probably should put something like that in here. Actually, it probably should be the same gray. Or maybe I shouldn't even have the frames in view. Maybe I should make the frames part of the scenery environment. Which means that I would need this to be this entire thing. And this needs to come here. Alright, yeah, that's probably good. Delete. Oh no, why is it put that? Alright. Alt B. Oh, sorry. Alt N. Yeah, this is gonna be like kind of a smear frame anyway. Alright, and this one we need an actual 45 degree. And now and then it breaks from what should be a perfect 45 degree. There we go. Looking good. I don't know why that doesn't get pushed. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, that looks... Yep. Let's push this over to the end. Let's take a look at the last frame. Oh, the last frame is just open. Okay, that's gonna be easy. Bloop. Okay. Question is... the edging on this looks weird. I think this one looks fine. This one has some weird edging. And I think the best way to fix that is... Let's see. Well, first of all... Actually, I think that's all I need to do to fix it. Is to push the edges like that. Yep. Looking good. Wait. Hold on. Close, 1, 2. Close, 1, 2. Closed. That's weird. Okay. All in. This should be frame 4. Do go. Alright. Shift H. File. Export sprite sheet. By columns, correct? Actually. Door? Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, we should probably do a fade through. Is there not a screen thing? Scene, system, map, battle. Oh, a screen. Fade out screen. Oh, that should be fade in screen. Well, mm-mm. Mm-mm. Alright, this should be Y3. And then set movement root, player, 1 to the right. This should just be move left. Mm-mm. I definitely need, like, a rim around this. Oh, this should be same as characters. I shouldn't be actually stepping on them. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Alright. I think I have to think about how I want to accomplish the next scene. Because I accomplished what I wanted to today. Which was to exit the lobby. So I think a lot of it is going to be... I'm sorry. The elevator closing noise is just like... Blah. Beep-boo. I need to think about what I need. I need to come up with a plan of intermediate. Because I have a plan for the game overall. But I need to create more plans for, like, immediate things. So I think I'm going to, like, think up on those. And for now, I am going to end the stream. And try to jump on to somebody. Who's on for us to pop in on? I could drop in on Tycho. Tycho is, playing Danganronpa, which, as you might have known from my last Saturday stream, I love some Dangan. So, let's fucking pop in over there. And I will see you cuties later. Mwah!